All right, everybody, welcome back. We're diving into something pretty interesting today.
Yeah, we are.
Dollar cost averaging?
DCA.
Exactly, DCA. You've probably heard about it, right?
It's definitely heard of it.
So you invest like a set amount
Right.
in whatever you're,
Into an asset.
into an asset
Right.
over time.
Yeah, consistently.
Yeah, no matter what the price is doing.
Right, exactly.
But we're going to go a little deeper today.
Yeah, absolutely.
Think about how DCA can actually change your whole investing game.
Especially in a market like crypto.
Oh, especially cryptos.
Crazy ups and downs.
Yeah. I mean, think about it
It's wild out there.
DCA. It's kind of like a mental game.
Oh, absolutely. It's psychological just as much as it is financial.
Right.
Oh.
Because we were really bad at timing the market.
Terrible. Nobody can predict the market.
Nobody.
And this is where DCA comes in. It helps you, just ride those waves,
That's like that chill friend who's like, don't freak out. It's all good.
Exactly. Just stay the course,
Yeah. So like our source, it has this classic example.
Oh, yeah.
$100 every single month
Okay.
into Bitcoin.
Love it.
Some months you're getting less Bitcoin for your $100.
Right, because the price is high.
But then other months you're like, woohoo,
Scooping it up.
getting more Bitcoin.
Exactly.
And over time,
It all averages out.
that's that whole core thing, right?
That's DCA in a nutshell.
DCA.
Imagine Bitcoin's doing its thing.
Okay.
Bouncing between, let's say, 20,000 and 30,000, over a few months.
Yeah, sounds about right.
With DCA, you're automatically buying more at 20,000,
Okay.
less when it's up at 30.
So your average,
Could end up being somewhere around 24,000.
wow,
Even though you never actually bought it at 24,000.
that's kind of crazy.
Yeah. DCA basically uses that volatility,
Right.
to get you a better entry point over time.
So we're lowering the risk,
Exactly.
potentially getting a better price. And, our source is saying there's all these other advantages.
Yeah. Tons of advantage.
Emotional discipline, keeping it simple.
Huge.
But come on,
Oh, what's the catch?
it sounds too good to be true.
Right.
Some folks say DCA kind of, lags behind in a bull market.
Yeah, that's a fair point.
How do we answer that?
Okay, so true. In a market that's just going up, 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 dropping all your money in at the start might get you better returns than slowly DCAing.
Yeah, I could see that.
But, big but, we
But.
can't predict the market.
Nope.
Nobody has a crystal ball.
I wish.
DCA protects you from that risk, right? Going all in at the peak right before a crash.
That's the nightmare.
Exactly.
So DCA, it's about being in it for the long haul,
The long game.
keeping those emotions in check,
Level-headed.
mitigating risk, especially in crazy markets like crypto.
Makes sense.
Now, our source also mentioned something about fees,
Oh, right. Fees.
higher transaction fees with DCA.
Yeah, because you're making more transactions, right?
More transactions.
Especially in crypto, those fees can be all over the place.
They can be wild. So how big of a deal is that?
It really depends. You got to be smart about it.
Okay.
Find platforms with low fees, especially ones that are built for recurring buys. And maybe adjust how often you buy
Okay.
to minimize those fees.
So strategize a bit.
Exactly.
Now, our source seems to like DCA for stuff like Bitcoin, Ethereum,
Those are the big ones.
long-term potential.
Yeah, those assets have a history,
Right, they've been through it all.
Ups and downs, they're still here.
So they're a good fit for DCA.
Yeah, because they have that long-term perspective, and that's what DCA is all about.
Consistency, patience.
Exactly.
But, got to remember, crypto is still kind of new.
It's the Wild West out there.
Not without its risks.
Lots of risks.
Just because Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing their thing.
Doesn't mean every altcoin is a winner.
No, definitely not.
You really got to do your research.
Right.
Understand the asset.
Understanding it.
Is it solving a real problem? Does it have a strong team and community?
Important questions.
Because DCAing into a dud could wipe out any games.
Right. So we've gone deep on how DCA works.
Yeah, well, yeah.
The good, the bad, the maybe ugly.
It's not a one-size-fits-all.
Definitely not.
So what do we want our listener to walk away with?
Big question.
DCA, it's a powerful tool.
Powerful.
Especially for those volatile assets.
Right, right.
But it's not magic. Okay. You got to do your homework.
Research?
Choose good assets, understand fees, and this is important.
Go on.
Make sure your DCA strategy fits your goals.
And your risk tolerance.
Exactly.
Yeah, I like it. Aligning everything.
Gotta have a plan.
So informed decisions.
Empowered decisions.
There you go. That's what we want for you all.
Keep learning, keep exploring.
And happy investing.
Happy investing.